With only 500 A91 manual transmission equipped 2023 Supras even being brought to the United States, this numbered special edition is not often seen and will be forever considered a collectible car. The very unique paint is called See You Later Gray, and it's got copper flake in it. Now it's your chance to grab one of the first 5th generation Supras with the coveted 3-pedal setup. Shift your own gears as you explore all the nuances of the 382 horsepower 3.0 liter V6. And you can see here, this one has under 100 miles, so it's a brand new Supra, even though it's been titled. There are screens everywhere in this car, and you can see this one has the navigation as well as radio showing up here. There's the backup camera, and you can also see some graphics for the sensors on it as well, and there's navigation. As we move down the center, you can see it does have automatic climate control. It's got a wireless charging pad in there for your cell phone, and there it is, the Alcantara-covered 6-speed manual shifter. Moving to the back, nobody cares about what's in the trunk here, but it does have some space for a little bit to throw in there. This one's all about going fast and having fun.